Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to curve text. As example, I will create text, move as a cat, and you can resize this text object. If you want to curve this text, you can go to insert menu and then you can click word art. As example, I will use this option. After it, you can go to text effect, click at this point, and you can go to transform. Now we have these lot of options to curve this text. As example, I will use this art follow path. You can click and the text will be automatically curved. You also can edit by clicking at this point like this or resize to drag it. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to curve text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.